知道算是谁的错，两个人变得话不多，气氛尴尬但不说破，就得过且过。但发现互相都在躲，伤人的话都不想说，气氛尴尬但不说破，都得过且过。
你不找我，我不找你，都不主动。像陌生人，但这关系又不普通。你有人陪我，有人陪都不寂寞。太久没联系，连号码你都记错。
Wukong Road. So yeah, I'm just walking through the French concession. You can see a lot of well-dressed people when you walk in this area. Almost Christmas, even though it's November, end of November, and it's unseasonably warm weather today. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt. A lot of couples like to color coordinate or even match their clothing. That's one of the things that's very cute that you see in China often. It's pretty funny, the motorcycle scene in China, the lowrider scene. A mansion like this is going to cost probably about $30 to $50 million for this property right here. One of my favorite houses in Shanghai. This combination of the East and West is one of the things that makes Shanghai such a special city to live in. So this is the Anfulu, Wukonglu area. People just relaxing, enjoying this fall day. This little alleyway. This restaurant is very popular. And got crepes, people eating, very nice area. Now this is Sunflower, one of my local bakeries that I enjoy. I'm famous for this bread, it's called the Sunflower. I'm going to take a quick look. And they have here Claire, mango cake, tiramisu. Looking good, but it's a little early in the day to get into this type of food, so I'm going to wait for now. Even more beautiful this time of year as the leaves are changing colors. These dogs are super cute. People still love to hang dry their laundry. Very iconic part of Shanghai. We have restaurants, salons. The value of the real estate is so high. Basically, any local here is worth millions of dollars. People are living a good life. So this area is known as 378 Ferguson Lane. These old buildings in Shanghai have a lot of character. In the heart of the French concession in Shanghai, you can see you have people enjoying food outside. This flower shop, you can just smell the flowers, so you can hear. Even people are speaking in the local Shanghainese dialect, so that means even the locals will come here. Across one of the busiest streets in Shanghai, Huahai Road, Normandy Apartments. Drinking some pu'er tea by the Normandy Apartments. But this is a very busy area. You just gotta take it probably for about 100 RMB. It's around lunchtime. I want to see if one of my favorite noodle places is still here. Zhengyuan Hui Mian. Let's go check this out. See if I can get a noodle here. This is a real Chinese food right here. 哎，你好，我要牛肉拌面。
您烧牛肉拌面。
对对。Nice. Vinegar. You have two different types of chili sauce, or turnips. Just trying to get it all mixed together. Noodle steaming in this bowl. Take a big bite of this right here. Oh yeah. It has that al dente, that bite, perfect consistency where it's not mushy. It's a little bit chewy, but not too hard. It's got the spicy chili, the vinegar. Really satisfying mouthfeel. You see the beef. Good. Tender. And I got my rojamwa beef steaming. So good. Celery mixed in with beef. A little clean bite there. Some soup here. Look at this nice soup with a little curry powder in it. Very satisfying meal. Comfort food right here. So good. This food comes from central China, so around Xi'an. It's made by the Hui people, so these are Muslim people in China. They don't eat pork. The noodle here, this costs 25 RMB, about $4.50. And it came with a soup, rojamwa, so this crispy beef bun. This cost about 15 RMB, which is about $2.50. 这个面馆已经在这里很多年了，对吧？我是10年前在这里吃啊，很喜欢。These alleyways where a lot of the residential buildings are located. This is a store specializing in selling dried pork products. Pungent. Some people are very worried about getting a sunburn. You can see Shanghai from different angles, but this is a really fun thing to do if you're in the city. It's not expensive. The architecture, the people watching, when weather is good, especially on a day like today in the fall, foliage is really good. I mean, there's not much better than hanging out in this area. People filming. Let's first go through this intersection. Swing this left. Look at all these people over here. Looks like an awesome scene. Let's try and not scratch any Mercedes. Beautiful day. These electric cars, they're so quiet, it's kind of dangerous. Parents waiting to pick up their kids from school, mostly grandparents. Grandparents are on the child care duty here in China. This house. I used to ride BMX when I was younger, with many years of BMX, so I'm used to this extreme biking. That would be a funny thing to say right before crashing and breaking my neck. Taking photos. This is Hongshan Lu. here's where we're going. This is one of my favorite ice cream shops in Shanghai. Anyhow, like 小份冰淇淋配巧克力。
要杯装还是干？
杯装。Dark chocolate ice cream here with caramelized almonds. This might be my favorite ice cream in the whole world. And it's coming from a brand from China. It honestly blows my mind. How is this ice cream so good? Now this ice cream is going to run you about 35 RMB, which is about $5 US for one scoop. I'm sitting in a courtyard in Shanghai. The sun is setting in the French concession, eating some of the best ice cream in the world. Beautiful view from this courtyard. We're just biking through the French concession. Gonna park the bike over here.
对呀，每天都是。
Cosplay going on in the background. So there's a lot of people around, and a lot of people are not at work today and they're outside. So it's a beautiful part of Shanghai. Really one of the nicest streets. A lot of architecture.
在酒店也好的了。
There are many cafes in this area. Just walk around this area for a minute. No matter how long I've been here, I still enjoy walking along these streets and appreciating the architecture. And you see new things every time